Marine birds are fascinating creatures that thrive on land, in the air, and in the water. This ability to operate in three environments is rare in the animal kingdom. While amphibians, some reptiles, and certain insects can shift between land and water, few do it daily like marine birds. Their lifestyle requires extraordinary flexibility. This flexibility demands special physical and physiological traits. These traits help them survive and succeed in harsh and ever-changing marine environments. Natural selection has shaped their behavior, ecology, and population patterns. They've evolved not only to survive, but to thrive. Marine birds live in some of the most extreme places on Earth. From icy Antarctic winters to hot tropical beaches, they've adapted. Some endure freezing temperatures, while others incubate eggs under the blazing sun. Their diversity is both impressive and inspiring. This is part of why studying marine birds is so captivating. We're driven to ask, how do these birds' bodies and behaviors fit so well with life at sea? How does the marine world influence their survival and reproduction? There isn't a single strict definition of what makes a bird a marine bird. In general, marine birds are those that live in and rely on the ocean or coastal habitats. These habitats include coastal shorelines, estuaries, wetlands, islands, and even open ocean. However, not all birds found near water are considered seabirds. Some shorebirds and wading birds, like herons and egrets, feed near the coast but don't feed at sea. Seabirds are more specific. They depend on saltwater feeding, often at sea. True seabirds include penguins, petrels, pelicans, gulls, and terns. They forage in the ocean, sometimes traveling vast distances. Interestingly, not every bird that lives near saltwater is a seabird. But for our purposes, seabirds are those that feed in marine waters. Although not all gulls go far offshore, we include them due to their dependence on coastal habitats. We also discuss shorebirds and wading birds because of their ecological importance. These birds remind us why humans have always been fascinated by avian life, their adaptability, beauty, and mystery.